Hello everyone, so this is Edmond Mindaros channel, isang content creator at gumagawa ng mga tutorials katulad ng PC, laptop troubleshootings, mobile device troubleshootings at marami pang ibang klaseng tutorials na sinishare ko dito sa aking channel. At kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, so please huwag mong kakalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe. I-click mo na rin yung bell notifications para ma-update ka sa aking mga bagong videos and tutorials. So sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to set up and withdraw commissions earnings on TikTok affiliate. Kung ikaw ay isang baguhan din sa TikTok affiliate at hindi mo kabisado kung paano ba natin i-withdraw ang ating commissions earnings, so mapa-e-wallets man yan or bank accounts, ang video ito ay makakatulong sa iyo as your guide. Kaya wag na natin patagalin at start na natin. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-open at mag-login dito lang sa ating TikTok app. So open lang natin. So once na open mo na dito ang yung TikTok app, so dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Meta Profile na makikita dito sa bottom right corner. I-click mo lang. At dito lang sa ating TikTok homepage profile, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung TikTok Studio. Nandito lang sa left corner, i-click mo lang. And dito lang sa ating TikTok Studio. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And dito lang sa monetization programs, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung TikTok Shop for Creators. I-click mo lang. At dito lang sa ating TikTok Shop for Creators, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating commissions and then yung product reviews. And then next, under lang dito sa TikTok Shop Toolkit, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung earnings. Dito lang makaibigan, nasa gitna, i-click mo lang. Ayan. So makita mo na dito yung available earnings mo dito. So since bago lang tayo dito sa TikTok affiliate, so nagkaroon na rin tayo dito ng commissions earnings. So makita nyo dito na mayroon na tayong 229.54 na commissions earning. Okay? So ito na yung pwede natin i-withdraw dito. Kung paano ba natin ito withdraw? So makikita mo lang dito yung withdraw balance button. So i-click mo lang. So dito lang sa kanyang withdrawal method, so may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like manual withdrawal or auto withdrawal. So kapag sinilik mo dito yung auto withdrawal, ibig sabihin yan, the full amount available for withdrawal will be paid to your primary bank account every Wednesday. Ayan. So mayroon po siyang araw na kailangan lang na ma-withdraw yung ating commissions earning dito kapag sinilik mo dito yung auto withdrawal, and then kailangan mo lang mag-add dito ng primary account. I-tap mo lang dito yung select primary account. Kapag ito naman sinilik mo yung manual withdrawal, so ibig sabihin yan ay pwede kang mag-withdraw dito araw-araw. Okay, so select lang natin dito yung manual withdrawal, and then kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung save. Okay, so dito sa kanyang withdrawal method, so manual withdrawal, and then kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung withdraw balance. Okay, so next, so makita mo na dito yung withdrawal account, add new withdrawal method, so i-tap mo lang. So dito na tayo sa add payment method, so choose a payment method. So may dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-select, like bank transfer or then yung GCash. Kapag bank transfer naman, so receive your funds within 6 business day. After submitting your withdrawal, ang minimum withdrawal na pwede nating ma-withdraw sa bank transfer ay 10 pesos. And then yung kanyang maximum withdrawal amount within 25 million. And then next naman dito sa GCash, so funds should arrive in 1 business day, minimum withdrawal amount of 10 pesos, and then yung maximum withdrawal amount is 100,000 mga kaibigan. Okay, so since GCash yung ating isi-select dito, kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung GCash. And then, enter verifications code na masasend dito sa ating mobile number mga kaibigan. Kailangan natin enter lang yung kanyang verifications code. Ayan. So makita mo na dito na link GCash. So entering incorrect informations will result in decline transactions. You will be responsible for any costs associated with processing your request. So kailangan lang natin mag-enter dito yung ating registered na GCash number. So dito lang sa phone number, i-click mo lang, and then enter lang natin dito yung registered na GCash number natin. And then once nilagay mo na dito yung registered na GCash number mo, dito naman sa ating name, kailangan mong ilagay din yung registered na GCash name mo. Okay, so double check mo lang yung details, yung ating GCash na registered number, and then yung ating name. Kapag okay na siya, and then i-click mo lang dito yung submit. Ayan. So makikita mo na dito na withdraw money, so withdrawal amount. So nandito na yung ating GCash. So nakalagay dito is primary natin. Okay, so since meron na tayong available balance dito na 229.54, pwede na tayong mag-withdraw dito. So dito lang sa amount, i-click mo lang and then enter lang natin kung magkano yung i-withdraw natin dito sa ating available balance. So lagay lang tayo yan, 100, okay. Kapag nilagay mo na dito yung amount and then estimated receiving amount is ito lang yung marireceive natin dahil mayroon po itong service fee, okay? Yung service fee po niya ay mayroon po siyang 5.60 pesos na bayad dito sa TikTok, okay? Kapag okay na, and then i-click mo lang dito yung withdraw now. Ayan. So, confirm withdrawal. So, transfer to withdrawal amount, yung service fee na 5.60. And then, yung receiving amount lang na marireceive natin is 94.40 sa 100 na withdraw natin. Kapag okay na yan, complete lahat, and then tap mo lang dito yung confirm to withdraw. Ayan. So, withdrawal in progress. So, funds should arrive in 1 business a day. So, ito yung details mga kaibigan. So, kailangan natin hintayin na ma-receive natin yung ating withdrawal dito. Okay, so naka-receive na tayo dito ng text message ni GCash regarding dito sa ating withdrawal, sa ating affiliate commissions earnings. Open lang natin yung ating inbox. Ayan, so open natin dito yung GCash. Ayan, so makita mo na dito na you have received 94.40 from TikTok Shop. So 100 yung withdraw natin dito and then nalis na dito yung kanyang transaction fee na 5.60 mga kaibigan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo o kung paano natin i-withdraw yung ating TikTok affiliate commissions gamit lang yung ating GCash e-wallet. Enough na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa TikTok affiliate tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.